Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to today's lesson where we're going to talk about lead magnet delivery and kind of a method that you can use here. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. Now, first off, let's talk about what exactly is this? What are we talking about here? What we're talking about is for a lead magnet. So when someone signs up and they want to get our free, awesome PDF report, well, how do we get it to them? There's lots of ways that we could do it. We could deliver it on our thank you page and have it just devoted to that. But what we can do as a means of a secondary way of doing this is we can just have our website builder deliver that lead magnet automatically for us. And then we can kind of do other things, which frees us up to do other things on our thank you page, right? So it also gives us kind of a backup. Like if anything happens with our email, if we were delivering it via email, maybe they don't get that email into their inbox. For some reason it winds up in their junk and then they don't get our awesome report. So this way it gives us kind of a backup because we could send it in our email, hey, here's your report, and we can send it through using our website builder. So it gives us kind of a redundancy to make sure that our lead magnet gets there. So let's talk about how this works. So if we go over to the website builder, I'm going to using ClickFunnels, but this is very similar in lead pages. So it should be, I can only speak for those two programs as far as using this technique, but I'll show you how this goes. So here I am over in ClickFunnels, and what I want to do is click on account, and then I want to go to digital assets. Now, in lead pages, I believe it's just under the lead magnet. It's been a while since I've used it, so I apologize for that. But here you can see, here's all my different digital assets that I've uploaded to ClickFunnels here. And that's what we're going to do is we're going to upload the file to them, and they're going to send it an email essentially with it attached, right? So pretty easy. All we have to do is just click Add New Asset. And then we give this thing a name as far as what this is. We'll call this test report. And the from name, this is what they're going to see as far as in their email inbox, who it came from. So I would put my first name in here. I can put in a quick message about it. Here's the free PDF you requested, right? Something simple like that. They've even got a link here to their support section if you need help uploading your digital assets or there's any problems. And then in here, I would put in probably my support email address as far as who it's coming from. Last thing that we need to do is just click choose file, find the actual file on your computer, the PDF, click that, and then it will add it and upload it to and create that digital asset. So once we go in and have it uploaded, it's going to show up in this list here so that when we're in our website builder, when we're actually working on our page, so say we wanted a report to come from our squeeze page. So if we go over here, I would just simply go to settings and then general. And here it says digital asset, and then this is going to have, boom, there's all my list of digital assets, and I would just pick the one that I want to send them in the list there, hit save, and that's it. When someone signs up, they're going to get an email from me, from ClickFunnels with my name and all my information on it with that lead magnet attached. Now the free reports come, so I don't have to worry about configuring that in my email or using my thank you page just to deliver that PDF, right? So that's how simple it is. So go ahead and try this out. Upload a digital asset, a lead magnet to your website builder and give it a go and play around with it and have some fun. And I will see you in the next video.